Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this 4x4 closure 427 highlight wig. I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I was just gonna do a plain review for you all. Like, y'all, I haven't installed this wig yet, but I look kind of cute. So I use my EBN, well, not my EBN, I'm used to saying that. This is this lace tint I'm trying out. I don't really like it that much. It's the Magic Tanning Lace Tint. But let me install this wig. I use Got To Be Glue Free Spray. Oh, let me not put that in front of the camera. Kind of pull it back a little bit. One thing I really love about all of their wigs, I'm gonna insert a video. They put a little like an elastic band in there to just secure the wig better, and in some cases it can even be used to make the wig glueless. This is a real quick install. It's gonna take me maybe 3 minutes in real time. Okay, I'm actually a kind of cute blonde. Excuse me? Okay, y'all, so I added like a little baby hair at this temple. And you all see the difference it makes already. Like, I'm kind of a cute blonde. Like, I just knew I was gonna sell this wig as soon as I did this video. Because I was just so scared of having blonde hair. But I look kind of cute. It's giving Hannah Montana. A little bit. Like, I see girls pull off this 427 look all the time. But, I mean, I look kind of... Okay, Brittany, I see you, Brittany. And I feel like this hair is really shiny and full of luster. Like, look at that. Look at this hair. Like, that's some luxurious hair right there. Like... Once again, Megalook comes through with the dye jobs. Cut. Throw that away. I mean, I look kind of, This is a new Brittany I've never seen before, for sure. Okay, I'm gonna kind of play with this hair a little bit and like re-flat iron it and like mold it down a little bit. And then I'll be back with a real review. Wow, like who is this girl? Because I don't know her. Who is she? Okay, so back to this review. This is Megalook's 24-inch 4-7 highlight wig. So y'all, I feel like they do an amazing job at actually coloring the hair. So look at this. And like, this is really silky. Like, if I bleached the hair myself, it probably would not be this silky. So I'll give them that. I love that side, but I feel like this side really came with it too though. Like, look at this. This looks like, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous, you all. But Megalook, I feel like their highlighted wigs are actually better than their other wigs. Highlight for Megalook, if you're trying to get a colored wig, go with Megalook and buy it like straight without having to do much work to it. Get a colored wig. So this is a 4x4 closure. After I did a little work to it, you can barely tell. It's giving you all. So let me stand up and show you all. I showed you all earlier, but it wasn't really on my head. So here's where the hair falls. It's right at my butt, really. Look at this movement. It's giving. This is interesting. I never in a million years thought I would like some hair like this. I know it's popular right now, but it's really cute. So I did bleach the knots and pluck the lace just a little bit. Like, it takes maybe 4 minutes. Well, let's say 7 minutes for me to pluck the lace when it's a 4x4 closure. And takes, what, like 3 minutes to install the wig. Y'all saw how fast I did it. This is cute, and it looks really long for a 24-inch. I'm surprised at myself. I just knew I would hate this. Like, I just knew it. But it is giving right now and feels smooth and stuff. So I did pluck the lace and like The first few days after I pluck the lace, it's kind of hard to tell whether the wig is actually shedding or if it's like the hairs I plucked. And it's just the luster for me. It's the shininess. So I just really flat ironed the hair. Y'all saw it still look luxurious before I flat ironed it. I just flat ironed it because it had like some little crinkles in places and all of that. But this is cute. Oh my goodness. This is interesting. This is really interesting. I don't know. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. So back to Megalook. Let me get my box. So once again, this wig is from Megalook. So they sent like lashes. I took them all out. They sent like lashes, an edge control brush, a wig cap, the whole nine. I don't really wear wig caps anymore just because like I think it's easier to not use a wig cap and to take out the combs instead of use a wig cap and keep the combs in, because the combs are really what pull out your hair. As long as you're not using real lace glue, like I use Got to Be Glue Free spray, y'all saw that. But really the combs and like real lace glue pull out your hair. And the wig cap kind of protects that and makes your wigs look more realistic. But I mean, it looks really good. As far as the lace, look at the lace over here. It looks really bomb. Use my lace tint, I showed y'all that. But I mean, it's giving. It was basically transparent, so the lace was like kind of white-like, so I think any kind of makeup or lace tint will make it look bomb. This like doesn't look like me. I don't know who this girl is and what she's doing in my room. Like, I don't know. This is so cute. So look at these streaks. You all see how good the color looks all the way around. Like, Megalook comes through. I told y'all last time, they come through. But I'm gonna keep this wig. I'm gonna keep this wig for a day when I just feel like being, I gotta be feeling really bold that day because, I mean, this is really cute, but I'm scared. I'm scared to wear this wig out. But, so the quality of the wig is there. It's great. So, yeah, this is like my initial review and all of that. If you're looking for a 427 wig, I think Megalook may be the way to go. I think they're the way to go. Any kind of color wig, they're the way to go. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. I'm going to link the hair in the description box. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.